Welcome to CASHAPP Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have this car here. It's a 2012 Ford Focus. The telephone charger is not working, and it happens most of the time, especially when you're using a socket or a telephone charger, and some of them they are no good, the cheap one. So now in this car here, you coming in, you are traveling, and this is for 2012 Ford Focus, maybe 2012, 10, 11, I'm not sure, but every 4 years the same car, same body, like about 4 years. So let's go and check. For example, you come here and you need to charge your phone. This is the socket that is here, and there is another one, I believe, in the back somewhere. Yeah, this one. They both get a feed from a fuse number 60 or 6120 amp. This fuse is not under hood, it's not around here. I'm gonna show you now. Let's test it. For example, if I test it here, look, if I open it, in order for you to test, you have to open this, see, and then you need to get a green and red. See here, this is ground, 0 is good. When you go down there, and be careful, don't let quarter money go. When you go there, you're supposed to get 12 volts. You see there is nothing. The same on the back. So I was looking for the fuse box around, and I was not able to get it. This is why I'm trying to say, instead of wasting your time, next time I will make it a little bit easier for us. So I come here. First I open this place. I thought that the fuse is here. It's not. So I open this place also. No. So leave this one here. There is a body control module. The body control module is controlling all the input and output of the fuse. So I came here, and you see here there is this two places here, like when it's like this, you pull it out, and I pull the other one out. And if you notice, there is a light here, but just pull it down a little bit, and you're gonna see a fuse or the body control module is located here. Now look on the far right, far left, I'm sorry. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Number 4 is a fuse that control or feed the cigarette lighter and or the telephone charger. Okay, so now let's see. You see, if I check here, you see here, I have 12 volts. The other side here, I don't have nothing. You see, 0 volts. So this fuse here is no good. What I'm gonna do, I will get a plier like this, and if you are a dentist, you may have those things a lot. So I'm gonna pull this one. Okay. This is a fuse, and this fuse here is no good. If you look at it in the middle, you see like there is a bridge here, and that bridge is no good. I'm gonna show you another fuse. This fuse here, you see, the bridge is complete. If you look at this one here, the bridge is cut in the middle, and that way when the amperage is so high, it blowing out the fuse for you, so that not to burn the car. So I'm gonna put this one. I want to see which how many amp I have here. This is 20 amps, and this is like 25 amp. But I believe it's better to put exactly the amp that is there, because too much amp is no good. But I'm gonna put this one here for the test to show you what it is, and then we can order later on. So you see here now, I have 12 here, and I have 12 here. What that mean? Everything look good. So what I'm gonna do, I will go back to do one test more, and I will come to my socket where it say 12 volt. I will open this. Let me take the key out, and then I will open it. I will look for it carefully. Okay. هشوفه بالراحة. Okay, no, that's the ground. You see now? I have 12. We're good.